This is the perfect time for you to get into Cardano. You will be at the best prices in the future by taking a prudent step today and taking an entry-level price you could never get in the future. Did you know that Cardano is one of the most advanced coins in terms of research and network stability? The technology that it has is so much more advanced and potent than many others in the market. However, what makes them so different? Stay tuned to find out. Hi Cardano lovers, welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news. And let us know in the comments how much you think Cardano will cost next week, month, and year. Allow us to remind you that this is not financial advice. Viewers are requested to conduct their own due diligence to avoid any losses. This video is only for entertainment and educational purposes. Having said that, let us get on with today's video. The Cardano prices seem to be looking very promising very recently. A person who looks forth to invest in this coin shall certainly be aware of the behaviors we've been noticing. Certain levels are very imperative for the coin to work in the best manner. The first one among them is the Kinjun Sen levels. Until June 8, 2021, the prices of Cardano have been trading below the Kinjun Sen levels. This means a few consecutive days trading below a significant level. Many predicted that within a couple of days from June 8th, the Ichimoku Chart may be in the tightest position since 2018. We will notice that the Tenkan-Sen, Senkou Span A, Kinjun Sen, and Senkou Span B will be tightening the paces out for Cardano. The result of this will be an outbreak of Cardano. However, the direction of this could be a bit subjective to the market trends and the FOMO factors at that point in time. We think that even the RSI values will be showing a misleading indication about the situation that could arise due to such consolidation. The composite index may be neutral, however, we will not be able to get reliable statistics from any one of them. We can expect the support on the $1.36 level, which we touched on May 29, 2021, though the touch on this value has just been once. We did almost see an equivalent value on the 12th of June around the $1.39 range. These two bounce backs on this level could indicate that we do have significant support around the $1.35 level. However, we are yet to test it a few more times to ensure the same. In the long run, going by the data we have, we may be able to see Cardano passing the $5 mark with no difficulties. This means that for a person entering Cardano around this time, the gains will be around 500% within the next couple of years or even months. The dependency on the Ichimoku Chart does signify an outbreak due to the congestion being formed by various trends. There are chances of resistances being noticed around the $1.8 to $1.9 levels. As of June 13, 2021, the price of Cardano is $1.4, which has been coming down from the double spike noticed at $1.84 on the 3rd of June 2021. After consolidating down to $1.7 the next day on the 4th of June, the prices did start climbing for a brief moment of time. The double spike seen on the same day is one of the major reasons why we feel that there may be a key resistance at the $1.8 level. The two key levels on the 3rd of June were $1.8407 and $1.8405. As you see, the difference between them is too minute, which means that the chances of a key resistance around that level are high. Looking back, we will also see that we did see this level being tested another time on 20th May 2021, and it even took the support of the same level on 14th May 2021, before climbing all the way back to the $2.28 mark, and further consolidating from there to the values we have today, on June 13th, 2021. The RSI indicators, as we've mentioned, may not provide significant information in case the prices do get squeezed out on the Ichimoku Chart, meaning thereby that an outbreak at that point of squeeze may just be dependent on the trend of the market at that point in time, complementing the extremely volatile nature the cryptocurrencies inherently have within them. A lot of the progress of Cardano depends on the alt. As soon as we see the prices passing through these significant levels, the prices of Cardano will certainly scuffle over the $2 range in no time. Apart from creating a new all-time high, we'll also be able to see the price of Cardano breaking most of the significant resistance levels that we spoke of in earlier parts of the video. This could be a major improvement for the prices of Cardano, and also a key factor in ensuring a stable price and holding the current resistance levels as support in the coming times, as soon as it breaks them. This is why we mentioned that Cardano may actually be able to break off from the $5 level in the long run without any issues, thereby making this the perfect time to get into the coin. The prices have been at a pretty stable level for a long time, with no events occurring in the charts for around 4 months before March 2021. After that, we've not started looking at a more volatile chart, reacting to the events happening outside. This is indicative of the users being more reactive to the recent updates as a result of the FOMO factors. As Cardano has been moving up significantly, many investors now fear that they may miss out on this unique opportunity. This is true, as the rate of progress for Cardano has been amazing in the past months, since March. At the moment, since the start of the month in June, the prices seem to be consolidating back down, though this time the same seems to be a step towards breaking out higher in the near future. On the other hand, going by the numbers, you'll be able to notice that around 76% of those who owned are actually retailers and not investors. This was quite surprising to notice and, yet again, indicative of the presence of the fear factor in the market. As soon as it starts making the progress and breaks out through the squeeze to the upside, we'll be able to see the fear factors reducing and consequently the FOMO diving in, which will push the prices up yet again to potentially create another all-time high for Cardano. One of the greatest reasons for the increase in prices and why investors have been really optimistic about the prices of Cardano is the implementation of smart contracts within the system. This will bring in a lot of use cases for cryptocurrency and will take the credibility and reliability to the next level. Therefore, with higher adoption, we will be able to see the prices gearing up and making significant spikes. This perhaps is the reason why we think we could be at a good point to enter. Entering right now will mean that you'll be investing in an underdog that has a lot of potential yet to be harvested and looked into the best possible manner. Yet again, it also means that it will be subjected to potential updates in the system, one of them being the applicability of smart contracts, which certainly isn't the only thing developers have been planning on implementing into Cardano. Very recently, on June 11, 2021, the developers have been able to successfully remove certain legacy clauses along with the Yormongada support, which will be significant in fixing the issues which arise due to sending large quantities of native tokens. To take it further, they've also been working and could even fix the minor bugs that have been there in the share wallet address, and also the native token operations for Trezor hardware wallets. Furthermore, they could also add the Cardano API dependencies, and also push using the pool-based approach in the networking layer using the Ouroboros network that's been in talks for a while. They also finished the update for the Cardano wallet to version 1.27 to move on to the work on consolidation and streaming of APIs, which will help in enabling transactions over the Alonzo Plutus feature. These updates that have taken place in recent times seem to be of a much higher applicability that may drive the prices to a good extent, which is the reason why we think this is the best time to get into it before the hype plays its role. The recent updates will help the coin in increasing its stability and also will make some bug fixes which, yet again, will be imperative to ensure the maximum efficiency out of the entire cryptocurrency. This will be a major reason, making it a potentially good buying opportunity while it's at its lowest levels. We hope you liked the video. Let us know in the comments about what you feel could be the prices of this coin. Also, let us know how much you hold in it. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Cardano Land.